If you're a homeowner in Fayetteville looking to boost your property's value, you might be surprised to learn that one of the most effective upgrades is new window installation. It's not as flashy as a kitchen remodel or as dramatic as a new roof, but it can have a powerful impact on your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, all of which can help increase your home's resale value. Here's a closer look at how installing new windows can be a smart move for your Fayetteville home. Better energy efficiency means bigger savings. One of the most immediate benefits of new windows is better energy performance. Fayetteville experiences a range of temperatures throughout the year, from hot summers to chilly winters. Old or poorly sealed windows often allow air to leak in or out, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and driving up your utility bills. Modern windows are built with advanced materials like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These features help keep indoor temperatures stable and reduce energy usage. For potential buyers, lower utility costs are a major selling point. Energy-efficient windows can also add value by appealing to environmentally conscious buyers who are looking for greener homes. Curb appeal makes a strong first impression. First impressions matter, especially in real estate. When a buyer pulls up to a home, one of the first things they notice is the exterior. New, clean windows instantly give your house a refreshed, well-maintained look. Fayetteville neighborhoods are full of character, and updating your windows can help you match the architectural style of your home while adding a modern touch. Whether your home is a cozy ranch, a classic colonial, or a newer build, the right window style can enhance its appearance and charm. That's a big win when you're trying to stand out in a competitive market. Improved functionality and comfort. Older windows can be a hassle to open, close, or lock. They may be drafty, stick in place, or even be unsafe. New windows solve all of that. Today's designs offer smooth operation, better ventilation, and secure locking mechanisms. For families, especially those with young children, ease of use and safety matter a lot. And for older adults, windows that open and close without struggle can make daily life more comfortable. These small details add up and can make your home more attractive to a wider range of buyers. Noise reduction adds quiet value. Living in or near a busy area of Fayetteville might mean dealing with unwanted noise from traffic, neighbors, or nearby construction. New windows with multiple panes and insulated glass can significantly reduce outside noise, making the inside of your home feel more peaceful. This is an underrated benefit that many homebuyers notice during showings. A quieter home creates a sense of comfort and retreat, which can add emotional value that translates into a stronger offer. Higher resale value and ROI. According to various real estate professionals, window replacement consistently ranks among the top home improvement projects with a strong return on investment. While exact ROI can vary depending on the size and scope of the project, homeowners in Fayetteville can typically expect to recover a large portion of the cost when they sell their home. In addition to adding direct value, new windows can also help a home sell faster. Buyers are often willing to pay a premium for a move-in ready home with modern upgrades already in place. Conclusion: new window installation isn't just about looks. It's a smart, functional upgrade that can make a real difference in your Fayetteville home's value. From saving on energy bills to making your home more attractive to buyers, the benefits are both immediate and long-term. If you're planning to sell or just want to improve your home's comfort and appeal, new windows are a great investment to consider.